episode, we're doing something a little different. So I don't like to say the word richest. So we're gonna go visit some of Str8updriven's most successful friends, some of our members, see how they're living, what cars they have, so on and so forth. So let's go do something a little different. Let's have some fun. Let's hit the road. All right, guys, we're here at one of our anonymous friends' houses. This house was completely custom built. It's got some safety features that are next level. So when you go out of town, you don't have to worry about break-ins and things of that nature, which we have a lot of right now. So he's got some toys, as you can hear behind me. So just a quick day in the life, guys. Just, you know, a little bit of motivation for us all to grow. And we're not in Kansas no more, Toto, as you can tell behind me. Guys, as we said, now we're here at one of our successful Str8updriven members' houses. They want to remain anonymous for here, but you'll get to meet the real owner of the house here shortly. This is not an NBA player. This is not a singer or anything else. This is a regular person with a regular job. So this can be you. So this is just motivation and inspires and motivates me. So let's get into the cars. Of course, you know this one. We had to put the Str8updriven Aventador up front for this. We have the Lamborghini Huracan right here. We've got the Rolls-Royce Phantom. We got the Ferrari Pista in yellow. We got the Ferrari Pista in red with custom wheels and some nice, you know, added extras. And we're walking back here. It's just getting better and better. We got the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. We got the Lamborghini Urus. And we couldn't even fit all the cars in the driveway, but we chose the G-Wagon with the red interior, the comfortable car, the runaround, the grocery getter right here. Still a $200,000+ car. All right, guys, let's see if the homeowner's home and we can get a little time with them. There's the homeowner. He's here and he's gonna give us the tour of the house. All right, guys, we just saw the cars out front. A lot of selection, a lot of different brands on exotics. So the house obviously has to go along with the exotics. So now we're gonna show you a little bit of the backyard. The backyard of this house is just impressive. It's incredible. There's some custom features that I've definitely got to add to the new Str8updriven house, hopefully coming soon. But more impressive is the owner and the member of this house. You saw him a little bit earlier. Let's have him give us a tour of the backyard. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So this is really neat right here. It looks just like, you know, a waterfall, a little pond right here. But the key custom feature to this is the jacuzzi is hidden in the middle. At night, it's got crazy lights. You got the fire pit behind us right here. But this is amazing. Look, it drops down. You go right down into the jacuzzi, guys. With all the jets, but it looks like a pond. Secret hidden feature. Now, if you think this is cool, all right, when I told you that this house was built around our guest, let me show you what I mean. So as you can tell, foot deep here for him, because, you know, right now he's still growing. So the pond and the jacuzzi's built around him. Well, you don't think that's special? The whole pool was built around this gentleman. The whole pool. Again, water flow overfall on all of it. Really key, nice feature. But everything is ankle deep for our special guest, homeowner, future Str8updriven member. But this whole pool, guys, was custom built just for him. The whole pool is no more than 3 feet deep. so then it's safe for him, and as he gets older, the pool will get deeper. Has anybody ever built their pool around their kid? I haven't. The whole pool is 3 feet deep, so he can enjoy the whole pool. I wish I had a pool built around me. Now that, if that's not straight up driven, I don't know what is. All right, guys, stay driven. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see. Without your help, without your involvement and interaction, the channel can't keep growing. So like, share, subscribe, comment. More content coming your way real soon.